Hey folks, Johnny Scotto, Third Hand Slots. I'm here in the high limit room with
Third Hand.
At the Yamava Casino in front of the Black Diamond Deluxe game. $181 gets it the voucher. $9 a spin, 20 tries to try to get something good to happen. Third Hand, hit the button. Let's see if we get some lines to line up with the proper symbol here. This has the nudge feature, so it has the little angle arrow, double nudge. It'll push him up or down. It doesn't help on that one, but there's an example. Okay, something. There we go, a little something. $10. Yeah.
Is it less because it didn't land like that to begin with?
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Well, it also didn't line up with anything. It's just a two by itself.
The lineup is the 2 bars, right? Or I don't know.
No, it was the 2 bars themselves, but they lined up when they moved up to the single bar.
What's the deal with airline food?
They don't even give you peanuts anymore. All right, we're less than half now. All right, 4 more tries. Come on, Third Hand. Goodness. Wrong order. A little something. Well, that definitely helps keep us in the game. Yeah, $60. Helpful also. Hey, 65. That's right.
With 181.
180, right. Yeah, 181. Chances again. Come on, machine. Come on, one more up there. Got all 3 of the. What will it equal? $130.
Wait, we're only like $30 away from.
Correct. So we still have a few more chances yet again. Now.
Yet again?
Yet again. If we can get all 3 of the black diamonds that are pointing similarly in the same line, we'll have something more than nothing. There we go. Yeah, that was much better. That's the 777s. All right.
Cool.
Wow, we're actually profitable. So we were down to the bottom there.
The nitty gritty.
The gritty was very nitty. All right, can we get something with this? debating whether you to get a soda or a hot chocolate. Look at that.
She actually remembered.
Yeah. Well, we're here enough. Hey, did you notice? Look at that, folks. It's still going. Nothing wrong with that.
$460.
Now that's a nice recovery from where we were.
Oh my goodness. We started with 180. Wait,
Yeah.
what is 180 times 3?
181.
So,
180
okay.
is 540.
Okay, what's 180 plus?
It's 540.
What's 360 plus 180?
Same difference.
Oh, okay.
541. I mean, if it's you want to go.
What's 540 minus 0?
540.
Okay, so
Yes,
all I know is
$100. Yes,
okay.
is what he's trying
Actually,
to say.
541. Or no,
Yeah.
543.
Just play the game because we don't know what's going to happen yet. Like now. And like now
And
again.
one more, yeah.
See, exactly why. So
Wow.
continue. The game has awoken. Very nice.
Did you say that it's very nice?
It's one of the better rounds we've had on this machine. We haven't played it for a while, but it's definitely one of the better sessions. We're gonna walk away with at least triple what we started.
Yes,
so.
yes, 543. Oh, I picked it.
Come on, you can do it again. Okay, decent. Decent. Oh, a little soft. Look at that, Durhan. Durhan's looking down, he's not looking up. Oh yeah, hang on folks, I want to wait for his reaction.
A $200 win. Wow.
He's actually fishing for some money to give the young lady a tip because we always like to make sure we spread the wealth, so to speak. Be considerate to the people helping us out
Wow, we're at 836.
Yes.
So what is 543 plus 180?
here. 720 whatever. 540 and 180 is 720. So
Okay, so 720.
yeah. But it might be more yet still, and again. Oh, this machine's not done yet. And little one. Oh, ain't that cute?
Whoa, you didn't say it wasn't done.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not going below 725
Okay.
because that's like 4 times, I think, or something like that.
Well, 720, yeah, 724.
Plus
Started with 181.
4 ones. Oh,
Well, we started with 180, 181, so 362, and then 724.
724. Okay. Wow.
All right, and then it's just 2 more. Last one then.
Oh, this is the last one?
Yep.
Oh,
That's
it.
okay. So nonetheless, after all that poor math, we spent $181 and we're getting back what 549 or something. 550. Yeah, about 550 bucks. Sure. All right. Well, that's still pretty good in the end, and maybe we can go invest in a calculator. But there you go, a nice little recovery from where we were, almost at the bottom, and we made some decent profit. So we will, of course, try something else. As always, thanks for making time. Third Hand Slots. Take care.